Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute your notifications on ClickUp. It is very easy. So all you have to do is click your profile in the upper right hand side, and here you'll find mute notifications. Just simply go ahead and choose the time that you want to mute it for. You can also set a custom time and date as well by clicking on that, and you can choose. So for example, I wanted to mute from today until Thursday. For example, I can go ahead and select the range of dates, then click on mute. And as you can see, it is now muted. And if you look over my icon here, you will see that it's mute as well. So that's pretty much how you mute your notifications on ClickUp, guys. Now, once you're ready, I will tell you that it will automatically set it for the time. But if you want to force turn this off, you can just simply hover over it and simply click and resume notifications. And that's going to put you back in a state where you can get notifications in ClickUp. And that's pretty much it.